In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Monday.com for manufacturing step by step, so you can manage production schedules, track jobs, organize departments, and even handle machine maintenance all in one place. Whether you're running a small workshop or a full-scale manufacturing operation, this setup will help you stay organized, reduce delays, and keep your shop floor running smoothly. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more practical software tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is create a dedicated manufacturing workspace. On the left sidebar in Monday.com, click on Add Workspace. Type in a name like Manufacturing Operations and then click Create Workspace. This keeps everything related to production, inventory, quality control, and maintenance organized in one central location. Having a separate workspace ensures your manufacturing data doesn't get mixed up with marketing, HR, or other company projects. Next, inside your new workspace, we're going to create your main production planning board. Click Add, then choose New Board. Name it Production Schedule. Make sure you select Main Board so your team can access it, and then click Create Board. This board will become the core of your manufacturing workflow, where all jobs are planned and tracked. Now let's customize the board with the columns you actually need for production. On the far right of the board header, click the plus icon to add new columns. Start by adding a priority column, so you can mark jobs as high, medium, or low priority. Add a production schedule column, using a date or timeline column, so you can define start and end dates. Add a notes column, for job details or special instructions. Then include an estimated hours column, so you can forecast workload and capacity. Add a status column, with labels like planned, in progress, and completed. After that, add a department column, to identify which team is responsible. And finally, add an assignees column, to assign specific team members. Once these columns are in place, you now have a production-ready board tailored for manufacturing operations. To structure your workflow clearly, create 3 groups on the board. Rename your groups to Planned, In Progress, and Completed. These groups act like production stages. Planned will hold upcoming jobs, In Progress will show what's currently being worked on, and Completed will track finished jobs. This gives you an instant high-level view of your production pipeline. Now, start adding tasks into each group. For example, you can add a job name as the item, set the priority level, assign it to a department, allocate estimated hours, choose the production dates, and assign a team member. Make sure the status column matches the group it's in. As work progresses, simply drag tasks between groups to reflect real-time production movement. This mirrors how jobs move across a shop floor. To make your board even more visual, use different views. At the top of the board, click Add View. Choose Kanban to turn your status columns into a visual workflow board. This works like a digital shop floor board, where you can drag and drop jobs between stages. If you prefer date-based planning, add a calendar view instead. This allows you to see all production jobs laid out by start and end date, helping you avoid scheduling conflicts and overload. Now let's set up a separate board for machine maintenance, which is critical in manufacturing. Go back to your workspace and create another new board called Machine Maintenance. Add columns for machine name, last service date, next scheduled service date, technician, issue description, and a priority status column. This board helps you track preventative maintenance and urgent repairs. For the next scheduled service column, enable date reminders, so Monday.com automatically notifies you before maintenance is due. This reduces equipment downtime and prevents costly breakdowns. By combining your production schedule board and machine maintenance board inside one manufacturing operations workspace, you now have a simple but powerful manufacturing management system. You can track jobs, monitor workload, assign departments, visualize progress, and ensure equipment stays operational. And that's how to use Monday.com for manufacturing step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy-to-follow software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.